We got us a new toy. Let's open it up and see what we got. We ordered this on Shopee and we got it from Manila in only 3.5 days. Wow. There's 2 little bubbles popped here on the side. Everything else looks really clean. I've got to say, this J&T shipping did a phenomenal job of getting it here. They didn't even pop any of the bubbles. So we're going to open this sucker up, see what's inside. Should have got a knife. Yeah, enough of that. Let's try a knife. Okay, this is the juicer. That type of juicer rarely works, but it is mechanical, so who knows. Couple of nice little blades. We'll figure out what everything is later. The shipper of this was very responsive. I tried to order this item from 2 other groups because this one was out of stock. This was the first one I marked as on my wish list and wanted to get, but they were sold out. The others I ordered 2 times and it was canceled because it was never shipped. So Shopee, luckily, doesn't give them the money until I receive the item. So I lost no money. It just went into my account. We have a blender. Ooh. We have a spice grinder. That's something I really want. I'm tired of the mortar and pestle. Not sure exactly what this does. It goes in the blender to make this a juicer. It's like it grinds the gunk up, juice comes out, pulp stays in. That's the theory anyway. We'll find out. That's something my wife really wants. Various slicing blades. It slices, it dices, it circumcises. Perhaps not. Blender top. It's a pouring spout for the blender. What is that? This lets you put stuff in as you're, blending. That'll be fun. We were gonna have to find a place for all this stuff. Now the cord is unwrapped because she took a video of her testing it before shipping it. So this is hopefully decent. We've used some other products before. The gearing is plastic. That's unfortunate, but what do you want? Numerous little locking devices so you don't, turn it on accidentally. And of course, a book. Being a real man, I will read the book because you do that. And I ask for directions if I need them. Let's take a look at it. So that's everything there. You can see this goes on here. Various blades go on there. And you have a food processor, slicer, depends on what you put in there, right? Because we have various blades. Ooh, sharp. We'll have to play with this and see how it goes. I like that there's a case to keep them in. And you've got these little blades. They go in. Oh, okay, I see kind of how that goes. Yeah, we'll have to play with all this and figure all this shit out. But yeah, a lot of moving parts, man. She's going to be overwhelmed by it at first. Uh-huh. That was nice of them. The big sharp blade has a cover. That's good, because I'd hate to cut my fingers off while opening the package. Put your spices, I guess you could use it for coffee if you're a coffee person. I'm not. That snaps in. That snaps in. Now you have a spice grinder. Giant base for a spice grinder, but you know. Now we're going to turn it on, see how everything goes. The pulse works. We have it on slice, so we're going to try and slice. Now, it's a lot of mess for one cucumber. But that's pretty sweet. Now, I would slice them thinner by hand, but not as consistent. Same blade. This side is slicing. This side is shredding. So I don't know what size it's going to be. We're going to shred a carrot. Maybe. Most of a carrot. But on a grater, I'm not going to get that far anyway. So, not too shabby. Let's see what it looks like. Cleanup looks pretty simple. Need a good spatula. Should have come with a good scraper. Why didn't it come with something to scrape the food out? I don't blame the seller, I blame the manufacturer.
Yeah.
Cucumbers, carrots. Very easy. I don't think I would go to all that for doing just one. But it works. That's what this was a test. Initial response is very good. Goes together easily, seems to work very well. We've used the food processor and the spice grinder. Have not yet tried the blender. So far, we really like it.
Enjoy your day in paradise.